Is your electric drill becoming too hot during operation, losing power, or shutting down unexpectedly? Overheating can reduce drilling performance, shorten tool life, and damage internal components if the cause is not addressed. Welcome to WholeToolBox. In this video, we'll show you how to troubleshoot electric drill overheating problems, explain what causes heat buildup, and guide you through the steps to restore proper tool performance. Before beginning any inspection or repair, always disconnect the drill from the power source to ensure your safety. An electric drill uses a motor, cooling system, electrical connections, and internal moving components to deliver reliable drilling power. The motor converts electrical energy into rotational force, while the cooling system helps remove heat generated during operation. Over time, blocked airflow, excessive workload, electrical issues, or worn internal components can cause heat buildup and reduce the drill's performance. Let's look at the common causes of drill overheating and how to troubleshoot them. First, inspect the ventilation openings and remove any dust or debris that may be restricting airflow. Proper ventilation allows heat to escape and helps the motor operate at the correct temperature. Next, evaluate how the drill is being operated. Applying too much pressure or operating the tool beyond its recommended capacity can place extra strain on the motor and cause overheating. Allow the drill to cool down between heavy use applications to prevent excessive heat buildup. If overheating continues, inspect the power connection and electrical components for loose connections or signs of damage. Electrical problems can increase resistance and create additional heat during operation. Also, inspect for excessive friction caused by worn internal components, as this can force the motor to work harder and generate additional heat. Regular cleaning, maintaining proper airflow, and using the drill correctly can help prevent overheating issues and improve the tool's reliability. If your electric drill continues to overheat after following these steps, check the link in the description for more detailed troubleshooting information and repair solutions. For genuine tool replacement parts and repair essentials, visit WholeToolBox.com. Follow us for more tool repair tips, maintenance guides, and helpful updates. Thanks for watching.